I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the third lesson of Standard 3. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson. A fairy went a-marketing. This poem is about a fairy. A fairy means a small creature with wings or magical powers who is fond of buying things. So in this poem, the fairy is very fond of buying things. Now, read and find out what are the things she buys. So in this lesson, you are going to study what are the things that the fairy buys. A fairy went a-marketing. She bought a little fish. See, a fairy went a-marketing. She went to the market and she bought a little fish. Bought means got something with money. She put it in a crystal bowl. Crystal bowl means the bowl which is made of high quality glass. You can see in the picture. She put the fish in a crystal bowl upon a golden dish, and it was put upon a golden dish. And her she sat in wonderment. The fairy sat in a hour in wonderment. Wonderment means pleasant surprise. And watched its silver gleam. And she watched the fish's silver gleam. Gleam means light. And then she gently took it up. And then what did the fairy do? She gently means calmly and kind. She took it up and slipped it in a stream. Slipped it in a stream means she put the fish into a small narrow river. She put the fish in a small narrow river. Then a fairy went a-marketing. She bought a colored bird. You can see in the picture. She went to the market and she bought a colored bird. It sang the sweetest shrill song. The bird which the fairy bought from the market, it sang the sweetest shrill. Shrilled means high and loud voice is called shrilled. She sang, that is the bird sang the sweetest shrilled song that ever she had heard. That ever the fairy had heard. She sat beside its painted cage. The fairy sat beside the painted cage of the bird and listened half the day, and the fairy used to listen to the bird's song. And then she opened wide the door. And then what did the fairy do? She opened wide. Wide means a large distance. She opened wide the door and let it fly away. And she let the bird fly away. A fairy went a-marketing. She bought a winter gown. The next the fairy went to the market and she bought a winter gown. Gown means clothes. All stitched. Stitched means sewed clothes with thread and needle is called stitched. All stitched about with gossamer. Gossamer is a high quality thread which is made by the spiders. Is called gossamer. And lined with thistledown. And this winter gown which she bought from the market was lined with thistledown. Thistledown means a plant with thorns is called thistledown. See, the gown was lined with thistledown. It is a plant with thorns. She wore it all the afternoon with prancing and delight. The gown which the fairy bought from the market, she wore it all afternoon with prancing. Prancing means moving with quick steps and delight. She was very happy wearing the gown. Then she gave it to the little frog. Then what did the fairy do with the gown? She gave the gown to the little frog to keep him warm at night. She wanted the frog to keep it warm at night. So she gave the gown to the frog to keep it warm. A fairy went a-marketing. She bought a gentle mouse. Next the fairy went to the market and she bought a gentle mouse to take her tiny messages. So the fairy used this mouse to take her tiny messages, to send her tiny messages, to keep her tiny house. And the fairy kept the mouse to keep her house clean All day she kept its busy feet. All day the mouse was very busy. Pit-patting. Pit-patting means making sound. To make sound to and fro. It used to be very busy moving backwards and forwards. To and fro means moving backwards and forwards. And then she kissed its silken ears. And then what did the fairy do with the mouse? She kissed its silken ears. Silken means the soft, smooth, shining like silk is called silken. She kissed the silken ears of the mouse and thanked it and let it go. What did the fairy do? She kissed the silken ears of the mouse and let it go. The poem was written by Rose Feilman. Now here is the one word of the poem. Bought means got something with money. Is called bought. Crystal bowl means a bowl which is made of high quality glass. Gently, in a calm and kind way, gleam, a clear light, often reflected from something. Gossamer, a high quality thread made by spiders. Prancing means moving with quick steps. Attracting people's attention. Shrilled means high and loud voice. Silken means soft, smooth and shiny like silk. Then this stream, a small narrow river. Thistledown, a soft thing that has seeds of thistle, which is a plant with thorns. Then to and fro means backwards and forwards. Then wide means large distance or large in size. Wonderment means a feeling of pleasant surprise. Now I'll just say the summary of the poem. The poet takes the readers to the world of fancy and imagination. The poet describes a fairy who goes out for marketing and brings a little fish, a colored bird, a winter gown and a gentle mouse. The fairy spends some time with all these creatures bought from the market and later on set them free. I hope you all understood the summary of this poem. Please read the poem and please share this with your friends and please send your comments and please subscribe to my channel. Okay children, I will meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.